Kailan mo sila huling nakita? When was the last time you saw them? Gustong-gusto ko ang gawa mo. I really like your work. May ibibigay ako sa'yo. I have something for you. Gusto kong umalis ka. I want you to leave. Pakiramdam ko, ang tanda ko na. I feel so old. Ito ang dahilan kung bakit hindi ako pumupunta kahit saan. This is why I don't go out anywhere. Bakit hindi mo sabihin sa kanya ang nararamdaman mo? Why don't you let him know how you feel? Saan ba ako magsisimula? Where should I start? Kailangan ko ng tulong mo. I need your help. Pwede ba tayong mag-usap ng tayo lang? Can we talk in private? Nasaan ka ba kagabi? Where were you last night? Kung maibabalik ko lang sana ang panahon. If only I could turn back time. Huwag mong bibitawan ang kamay ko. Don't let go of my hand. Mukhang gagana naman ito. This might actually work. Pwede mo bang ipakita sa akin kung paano gamitin ito? Can you show me how to use this? Saan tayo pupunta? Where are we going? Anong problema sa pangalan niya? What's wrong with his name? Narinig mo ba yun? Did you hear that? Antok na ako. I'm so sleepy. Kailangan kong magtrabaho ng maigi. I have to work hard. May tanong ako sa'yo. I have a question for you. May maliit na pabor sana ako sa'yo. I have a small favor to ask you. Lagi akong nagdadala ng alkohol. I always bring alcohol with me. Ilipat natin ang upuan dito. Let's move the chair over here. Gusto talaga kita. I really like you. Naniniwala naman ako sa'yo. I do believe in you. Magkikita tayo mamayang gabi. We're going to see each other tonight. Hindi ko kayang mabuhay nang wala ka. I can't live without you. Yun lang ang alam ko tungkol sa kanya. That's all I know about her. Kailangan nating magtira ng ilan nito. We need to spare some of this. Kailangan ko ng maraming pera. I need a lot of money. Paano mo nagawa ito? How did you do this? Isa kang mabuting kaibigan. You are a good friend. Mahalaga ka sa akin, alam mo yan. You are important to me. You know that. Bigyan mo pa ako ng isa pang pagkakataon. Please give me another chance. Kaninong panig ka nga ba? Whose side are you on anyway? Maging mabait ka kahit sa di mo kilala. Always be kind even to strangers. Maupo tayo sa labas. Let's sit outside. Napakahalaga ng trabaho ko. My job is so important. Nasa malayo siya ngayon. He's away right now. Gamitin mo muna ang sasakyan ko. You may use my car. Hanggang kailan kang mawawala? Until when will you be away? Masyado na tayong malayo at ngayon, nawawala na rin. We've gone too far and now we're lost. Kukunin ko lang ang mga gamit ko doon. I'll just get my things there. Magiging abala ako buong araw. I'll be busy all day. Sino ang nauna dito? Who comes first here? Tandaan mo na lang ang sinabi niya. Just remember what he said. Kaunting oras na lang. Just a few more time. Ginawa ko naman ang makakaya ko. I tried to do my best.